In this tutorial, I'll be talking about soil support in the PLGen and the modeling of rafts in the PLGen as well. I will use the usual example of the simple square slab and the 4 columns. However, the columns in this case are defined as column loads. Then after defining the objects, I'll then go to the draw mode, and then I'm going to draw a square object up top of the slab that I have drawn here. I'm going to snap to grid. I'm going to draw my square object. Yet I'll define this square object as a soil support, so I'm going to go to the select mode. I'm going to select it and right click, choose soil support, and then I'm going to click OK. After drawing and defining my objects, right click whilst in the select mode on the soil support patch to open its properties dialog box, and keep the Ks of the modulus of the subgrade reaction at 1500 kilonewtons per meter cube. But however, I'm going to change the number of divisions of Na to 4. I'm going to keep it as it is, and Nb to 2. And then I'm going to click OK. I'm going to toggle on divisions to show the number of divisions in each direction. After doing so, right click on the column loads to open its properties dialog box and enter the force of the column at negative 1000 kilonewtons. And then I'm just going to click OK to close this properties dialog box. Then select the other column loads, and then using the match tool, I'm going to match the column loads to the adjusted one. Open the BA model to view the divisions. So I'm going to click on BA model to open it in the PL view. I'm going to say no. I'm going to toggle off show or hide supports, and I'm going to click on supports to show the column info. Now notice that the K3 of each patch is the modulus of the subgrade reaction multiplied by the area. Now I'm going to go back to the PLGen to run the model. So I'm going to click on run. It's going to prompt me to save it, so I'm going to save it as tutorial 16. I'll say yes to that. Then I'm going to go to run. I'm going to use the pl.exe command line to solve it. Then I'm going to go to the pl post to view my results. I'm going to right click and open the results manager, and I'm going to enable the column plot, leaving all settings as is. And then I'm just going to close the results manager. I'm going to scroll up and down. Now, as you notice that the soil pressure map is shown. I can also show the total forces of the column plot by enabling it in the results manager. I'm going to toggle on show total forces. I'm going to close. Scroll up and down, and there's no change. However, I'm going to toggle on reactions to view the reactions and the legend. Scroll up and down, and there we go. Another use for the soil support is to model masonry walls by drawing a normal wall with its correct dimensions, defining it as a soil support, and then under select mode, right click to open the properties dialog box and change the Na to 10 and the Nb to 1, and then open the model into PL view to view the divisions, and this would represent a wall. And this concludes our tutorial.